What's that? That's crap. Oh, what's that? That's crap. Oh crap, it's 2025, I'm still the champion. I'm still on top of y'all. There's no number two, I'm still the number one. There's no competition, I'm getting bored. I'm at the top, bro. I'm feeling myself, I'm on the top floor. I rap better than anybody who spit flows. I come alive, I bring the vibes. You do it once, I do it twice. I cook hits when I cook in the studio. It feels good when you play it on radio. No crap, look, I'm cooking good music here. Tastes good when you listen with your ears, bro. Expensive music I make when I rap though. This song is expensive as fuck, man. I'm changing the game. I'm doing my thing. Look, I ain't even trying hard to do it effortlessly. Like Double HP says, the aim is not to sweat. I'm comfortable, be comfortable. I got no pressure, I found my treasure. Another man's trash, it's another man's treasure. I'm getting all this pleasure. I take my time, I ain't rushing you, babe. And when it's over, I ain't leaving you, babe. I ain't leaving you, babe. I take my time, I ain't rushing you, babe. And when it's over, I ain't leaving you, babe. Yeah, I ain't leaving you, babe. Yeah, I ain't leaving you, babe. Oh, what's that? That's crap. 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 Oh crap, it's 2025, I'm still the biggest rapper. All of my peers, they got a day job. I'm the only rapper that has the balls to follow my dreams. All of my family members doubt me. They don't believe that I'm gonna make it. I don't care, man, I don't care. I got a vision. The vision is clear, can't you see? I'm not John Cena, can't you see me? I'm visible, I shine like a star. When I dropped out of college, I had a hit. Nitambera Kandishi is a hit. Legacy. If I die now, you gon' remember me. That's the legacy I wanna leave. I'm never gonna die, you can kill my legacy. I'm gonna live. Through my streams, I'm gonna live. Through my views, I'm gonna live. Through my music, I'm gonna live. If I ain't happy, I'm gonna leave. Leave your broke side behind. What's that? That's crap. Oh, what's that? That's crap.